The big question is how much higher will the market go from here? To help answer the question, Deirdre Bolton, market watcher Mike Murphy, and retired inspired author Chris Hogan. Folks, welcome to the show. Mike, I'll start with you on the market side of this purely. We had that interesting session yesterday, a 400-point reversal to the downside, but we're at it again. So the resolve is still there.
The resolve is definitely there, and I think the main thing people are watching right now is the results of the tax bill. So companies are holding on to more of each dollar that they make. So although you can look at the Dow and say 26,000 for the first time ever, really I think what you have to look at is it's not expensive because you're seeing earnings expand or you're seeing bottom line expand. So I think the market here still has room to run to the upside.
Right, so people should understand the PE ratio, even though markets are moving up, the PE ratio is not necessarily moving up because the underlying fundamentals have justified that.
Exactly, and the market can move up even further. Once that stops, you get PE expansion. So
right.
If people feel good enough about the market, people will pay a higher price.
That would be the irrational exuberance phase.
Correct, that's when you get there. Correct.
You know, Chris, a lot of people, though, just sort of as a hunch, are thinking, hey, it's had a hell of a run. It went parabolic. A day like yesterday, in fact, for some people, a yellow flag, thinking, you know, maybe I should cash out here. You're a retirement expert. Right. You know, people trying to guess tops and bottoms of market, not necessarily a good thing.
No, it's very dangerous. I mean, the last thing you want to do is try to time the market or chase trends. You want to be super clear on what it is that you're trying to achieve, and the process is going to help you get there. You have to stay calm. You don't want to be Chicken Little when things aren't going well, but you have to be based in reality. Understand what's happening, what tweaks do you need to make, and then what am I doing? Where am I, and as far as my long-term strategy, and is my plan working?
Deirdre, what are your thoughts here? Because it's interesting that while tech led the parade, they stumbled in December, came back strong earlier, you know, in the first week or so, but not necessarily the dominant role that they had early in the rally.
But on Friday, you remember, I mean, we had Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and Netflix, Apple, all at record highs. Right. So, I mean, these companies, they still have cash, tons of cash, right? And this tax reform is really helping these companies. They get to bring back money from overseas for a one-time low rate. I feel like we should be doing like Crazy Eddie commercials, 15.5%, right? That's significantly less than what it was. And then every single dollar that they make overseas in revenue from this point on is tax-free. You know, they repatriate the money once, they pay the 15.5%, let's call it a forgiveness rate, right? And then basically we're like the rest of the industrialized world. They do not have to pay revenue on anything coming back. So I actually, for my money, I still think tech is a good place to look. They have so much cash, Charles. I mean, we talk about this with Amazon, we talk about this with Apple, with Netflix. They have the money. I'm going to back up what you said as well. I mean, if you look at just the earnings today, Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, okay, fine, lower profits, but it was just a one-time kind of tax adjustment thing. Still, we're almost near a record low unemployment. Things look pretty good.
Bank of America, I think, gave a target for Apple that would imply a $1.1 trillion market cap. To your point, it's just amazing. Now, amazing, but in a different way today, Bitcoin. It continues its free fall, now trading below 10K for the first time since December 1st. Deirdre, obviously anxiety. We're talking 20,000 Bitcoin.
This is the 1929 of Bitcoin, right? There we go. It's just like if you're living through this, if you bought a month ago, you're so unhappy today. You lost half your money. But if you bought a year ago, as I know some members of your smart family did, you know, you're still up 1,000%. I'll take that.
Yeah, but, you know, the 1929 of Bitcoin is interesting because a lot of people miss the roaring 20s. At least you had the roaring 20s right before you went bust. I mean, some people just got Bitcoin a week ago.
They did, but technology has been able to speed everything up for us. But one thing I say to people is if you can't explain exactly what Bitcoin is, what it does, and how you're going to use it and profit from it, you shouldn't be buying it. I think it definitely got frothy about a month ago. Easy to say now, but I think still, even down here under 10,000, if you don't know exactly what Bitcoin is, you have no
or that it's so volatile in the sense that if you buy it a month ago and you can lose half your money a month later, then it's not.
People think they know what it is, right? Because most people out there are a whole lot of folks like libertarians and others who say, hey, we hate fiat currency. You know, we saw our financial crisis the government created out of thin air, $5 trillion extra money. We know no central government can control it, even though they're shutting down these exchanges. Chris, I mean, it's attractive to a lot of young people. Should they be going there, or should, you know, because they're avoiding your traditional advice and going into Bitcoin?
Well, I can tell you this. The last thing you want to do is chase trends. I mean, we can look back at day trading. Remember when it came on the scene and all people were losing hundreds of thousands of dollars, losing their nest egg. And so trends are dangerous in my mind. I'm going to go slow and steady and stay focused. to young people out there, I'd say anytime you put all your eggs in one basket, you're not diversified, and you run a terrible risk of losing everything in that basket.
Yeah, this is a new market. It is unregulated. That's the entire point of it. Right. So, yes, you do not put money that is important to you, that is savings that you need for your retirement, in Bitcoin or any of the blockchain companies or anything near it. I mean, if you do it, it's a speculative bet.
You're a 21-year-old third-year college student in London. You throw $300 in it today?
I would. You're like asking for a friend. It's like crickets.
See you later. Thanks a lot.